Anyhow, so city has no money. The city has a failing infrastructure. They don't have a tape measure. Look at it. They don't have a tape measure. But you know, a foot is a foot and he can count, so he just measured the width, and it's about 4 feet. I just eyeball it from here, but anyway, now he's gonna measure the length. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's a little bit too much. Maybe I miscounted. I must have miscounted. Anyway, so this is how city employees spending your taxpayer dollars. Because they have maps, you know, they have maps, they know the exact size of that thing because they are standards. They are standards, so anyway, enjoy. And I just got a 4th letter from the city of Torrance. They don't mention one word they're gonna raise the taxes, or they wanna raise taxes, they want people to vote for the tax hikes. They only say that they don't have funding. But this is what you have to pay more taxes, fund this.